Markov's rule there. What is the Markov's rule there? Here the halogen is attached to which of this two of the carbon atom there. It will decide by a rule that is known as Markov's rule there. Either this halogen will go to this carbon atom or to this carbon atom. It depends upon what there, the number of hydrogen atom there. According to Markov's rule, the carbon atom which is having the less number of hydrogen atom, the halogen will be attached to that carbon atom, and which is having the more number of hydrogen atom, that hydrogen will be attached to that carbon atom. So what will be the resultant of this reaction there? The resultant of this reaction will be which one there? CH3, then CH, then Cl, then double bond, then here what is the single bond, then CH3. That will be the resultant product over there. Now there is one more opposite to it, there is one more rule that is called as Kharash effect or the peroxide effect. That should be taken in the presence of what there? Benzoyl peroxide there. In the same reaction, now this halogen will be which one there? Bromine here. This halogen will be added to which one there? Those carbon atom which is having the more number of hydrogen atom, and the hydrogen will be added to those carbon atom which is having the less number of hydrogen atom. Now the resultant according to this Kharash effect, in the presence of what there? Benzyl peroxide there. Benzyl peroxide, it will be what there? It will begin what there? CH2. Here what there? CH2, then Cl. This will be the resultant product. So these are the two products that we are getting from what there? Alkene there, dependent upon the reactant there. It follows the two rules there. One is Markovnikov, another is what? Which one there? Opposite to the Markovnikov, that is anti-Markovnikov rule, or it is also called as Kharash effect. Now next is what their method of preparation from what their alcohols. As all of you know, what is the general formula for the alcohol there? General formula for the alcohol is what there? ROH. R means what there? Alkyl group, and OH is what there? An alcoholic group. In that case, what you have seen there, it will undergo what? When it is reacted with an what we can say hydrogen derivative of alkane there. Now what happened there? In this case, it will undergo a reaction, that is what? This H will react with this H, and then they will form there a compound that is RX, and plus what is removed out there? H2O has been removed out. So this is also called as the dehydration reaction also, because in that case water is removed out. So this is another case of reaction, that is haloalkane, and it can be seen maximum in what? They will follow one order there. Maximum in the tertiary, then secondary alcohol there, then primary alcohol. So it will be seen in maximum in which one there? Tertiary, then secondary, then primary. So what is the reason for is that the stability. The stability of the tertiary will be very less, so their reaction will be very much seen in the tertiary, then secondary, then primary. Due to the steric index. In tertiary, how many alkyl group will be there? 3 alkyl group are there. They are all electron repelling group, and they are repelling the electron all together there. Due to this reason there, the tertiary carbon atom is quite unstable there. Then tertiary, then secondary, then primary is which primary is the most stable one. Then next is the by halide exchange method there. Another method of preparation of what there haloalkane is what there halide exchange method. In the halide exchange method, see this one, halide exchange method. Halide exchange method, what should be the reaction there? CH2 bond Cl in presence of NaI, in the presence of what there? Acetone. In the presence of acetone, when you are heating it there, what you will get there? You will exchange the halogen over there. What will be this one there? RCH2, then exchange method, halide exchange method. You are exchanging the halogen over there. This halogen will be exchanged with this halogen. Means the more reactive halogen will replace the less reactive halogen there. So which is the most reactive? Which one there? That is called. Which one is the most reactive? Fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Then this kind of reaction will be also called as which one there? This is also called as Finkelstein reaction, which is called as Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. The one of the naming reaction. This reaction. Okay, na? Now next is what there. The last method of preparation will be from which one there? From what we can say, from silver salt of fatty acid. Silver salt of fatty acid means what there? RCOO, then RCH2 COOAg. That is called what there? Silver salt of fatty acid. When it is reacted with what there? Bromine. So what should be the reaction there? Here the reaction will be R, then CH2, then what is there? Br. Here this CO become what there? CO2, and it will form what there? AgBr. So this kind of reaction will be also, this reaction is known as Hunsaker reaction. What it is called as? Hunsaker reaction. Hunsaker reaction.